How to disallow or restrict tags and mentions on UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want more privacy or simply prefer not to be tagged or mentioned by everyone on UpScrolled, then here is how you can do it. First of all, launch Open UpScrolled application on your smartphone and log into your account. From the home page of UpScrolled, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile page, tap on the gear button at the top right. Once you do that, you'll be inside the settings menu. Underneath settings, tap on mentions and tags under preferences. Now, go ahead and look for the tags option and make sure to select off if you want to turn off the tags completely. But if you want to allow a tag to some of your friends out there, then you can select User I Follow option. If you don't want to be tagged by anyone, then you can simply select off and that's it. That is how you can easily turn off tags or disallow tags in UpScrolled. Now your account is safer, calmer, and fully under your control. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.